Can you invest in Nippon India Flexi Cap Fund? It's a new NFO in the block. And after the success of ICICI Prudential Flexi Cap Fund, another company is coming up. So let's look at what is the difference they brought in and can you invest in this fund today. So hi, hello, this is Ganesh through your stock market profit coach and author of the book One Page Stock Market Plan. I help you in multiplying your wealth by investing in stock market. And today's topic is on Nippon India Flexi Cap Fund, new fund offer in the market. So the NFO period is from 26th July to August 9th. So that is a time period you can invest. And after getting money, they will get listed. This fund will get listed on August 24th. This is the time period where you can look at investing in this fund. Okay, and this is based on they say that global economy is on the faster growth mode, and once it is there it will start growing. All the large caps will grow to the next level, and the interest rate is low across the world. They can't increase interest rate because growth will get affected, not only in India, even in US. Even in India inflation is rising, but RBI and the government is focusing on growth, and they said let the inflation be there, but let's focus on growth mode. Okay, and cyclicals looks good and earnings upgrade. All these are expected across sector because across cyclicals are coming back after almost I can say 8 to 10 years, and all the other sectors needs earnings upgrade because for the last 10 years we didn't had much growth in any of the sector, automobiles or anything. If you look at, they went to a peak and after that they kept falling. I mean, I think around 2014 to 16 it was a good growth period, and after that earnings started deteriorating. Cost cutting measures and everything was pushing the stocks, pushing the business, and that reflected in stock market. And stock market is in extreme optimism, not based on earnings, based purely on optimism it is running. And this fund is going to be based on complete mix of mid and small and those kind of cycles, mid, small and mid caps sectors. And current focus will be on financials, healthcare, retailing, software, chemicals and manufacturing, consumer durables, hospitality and multiplex. If you look at, it looks completely based on how the COVID has impacted. Based purely on COVID, they set up the new fund offer. Right now this is the momentum they see because chemicals are coming up because things may change after coming from China. They are expecting, other than China, all the other countries are looking at investing in some other country as well. And India is a preferred destination. And so, if you look at specialty chemical sector, most of the companies that went up like anything, and that adds value. So, and multiplex hospitals, if you look at, COVID has impacted and the demand for hospitals and consumer, because for the last 1.5 years people are not going out, and after second COVID wave and vaccination, these sectors may see revival, earnings upgrade, and everything may come back. And people are waiting to go for revenge shopping, revenge traveling, and already we can see the shoot ups. And this happened in US, this happened in China, and it might happen. Get repeat things even in India because humans, all are humans, right? We will go for shopping and everything, and these are the sectors which is in demand for the very long time. And the next 10 years, and there was a survey in Business Standard which say that India will become a home for $1 trillion consumer spending. So the complete focus is on that, and with healthcare and focus, so all these are important sectors. So if you are investing in something, you need to look at these kind of portfolio before you invest. And mutual fund is the best option, right? That is the reason this Nippon India also came up with this flexi cap fund offer. And they may change based on the market condition, but flexi cap means it will be a mix of large, small and mid cap in the certain mix. Like if large cap is doing well, it will be more. If mid cap is doing well, the weightage will be more on mid cap, right? Unlike multi cap where it will be a fixed of 25 25 25, right? That is how it should be. Whereas flexi cap, that is the advantage. Flexi cap, you can be flexible with respect to the portfolio size as well as where you are putting your money, in which sector you're putting, mid cap or small or large. And finally, one point I just wanted to say is the ICICI Flexi Cap Fund, where we had done a video few couple of weeks ago, is that it has the NFO has mopped up almost 10,000 crores, almost on par like an IPO, which is coming up with 10,000 crores. It's a huge sum of money. This NFO, for the first time, NFO is making almost 10,000 crores. It's a record, we can say. So let's look at what Nippon India Flexi Cap Fund is also going to do. It's a new fund and it looks good. And that is what I can say because all the funds are looking good. And if you are having a long term portfolio of, say, 5+ years, go on invest in it. And expense ratio, as usual, as it is a equity fund, you need to if it's a regular, it will be between 2.25 to 5%, and sorry, 2.25 to 2.5%, and if it's direct, maybe you will get a benefit of 0.75 to 1% lesser. And this is the normal, as usual, normal equity fund. Go for it if you haven't invested in mutual funds, and if you want to go towards a new fund offer, right? So thank you so much for watching. Any questions about this new fund offer, kindly post it in the chat box. I'll be happy to help you out. Thank you so much.